So today we're doing slope direction. And so slope is a ratio. Remember, a ratio is like a fraction, or it has two numbers that tells us the direction. And steepness of a line. Okay. So when I get a number, I should be able to tell which way is the line going. So is it going up or down or straight across or straight down? And I should be able to tell like about how fast it's moving. Is it like really up and down, or is it like really flat? All right. To remember our slope directions, that's kind of what we're working on today. We're going to watch this quick video. It's called Slope Dude. It's kind of goofy, but it's a good video that helps us remember direction of slope.
Dude, he loves to ski. We are going to follow him, and he'll teach us some important aspects of slope. This is the course he's skiing today. What he says will teach us about slope. Always remember that Slope Dude always skis toward the right or eastward. When he starts out, he's going uphill. It's hard work. He says puff, puff, positive as he goes up the mountainside. Puff, puff, positive, puff, puff, positive. Now he's at the top. It was puff, puff, positive all the way up the mountain, but now he can look forward to the downhill. On the way down the mountain, he says, nice, negative, nice, negative, nice, negative. And now, after the downhill, he's in for the hardest part of the ski route, the long, flat part. He says, this is zero fun. This is zero fun. This is zero fun. As he finishes the flat part, he doesn't see well ahead, and all of a sudden he comes to the edge of a cliff. It's straight down. He finds a slope that is straight down, and so frightened is he that he says the worst curse word possible in math and in algebra. Undefined.
All right, so we're going to write that on our sheet here. So if we see a line that when we read this, we're always going to go read it from left to right. All right, so I got to zoom out for a second, sorry. So when you read this, we're always going to start from left to right. Okay, so as I start on the left side here and I go up, this is going uphill. It's not straight up, but it is going uphill. So if you imagine a little skier guy going up this hill, this is positive. Okay, and if you want to write our words, there was puff, puff, positive. But we'd only have to worry about that word positive. Okay. If you think about a skier going down this hill, that would be really fun. I think it'd be scary, but it'd be nice, negative, is what the guy said. So when it goes downhill like that, or it's going down to the negatives, it's a negative slope. Okay, this one just goes straight across. There's no change. It just goes straight across. So because there's no change, it's 0. Okay, and our keyword there to remember was this is 0 fun. Okay, so 0. This one, there is no left and right. It just drops off. So because there's no left or right, I can't move. It doesn't make sense. So this one is what we call undefined. Did we imagine someone falling off? Undefined. All right. So those are our positive, negative, 0, and undefined, and we're going to be using that quite a bit as we move forward with graphing and as we write equations and things like that. Okay. So here we go at the backside. Backside is just quick practice. All right. So remember, we're always going from left to right. All right. So on this one, if I start on the left side, that's right here, and then I go to the right side, it's moving up. So that's going to be positive. Okay, this one, when I start on the left side and I go this way, again, it's still going up. It's much quicker. So this number is going to be a pretty big number where this number would be smaller. So this one is going to be, again, positive. Right, this blue line goes just straight across. So if it just goes straight across, nothing's happening with it. It's just, we can still move, but it's not changing up or down. So that's where we said this is 0 fun. This is 0 fun. So the slope is 0. All right, this one, when I start on the left side, it starts up, and then it's going down to the negatives. Okay, so if you think about that skier, that's where he said, nice, negative, nice, negative. He seemed really excited about it. Okay, so that's a negative slope. So go ahead, you're going to do these last 4, and then when you have those finished, move on to the next video. Oops.